Okay, so for the modeling, so in this software, okay, I open the software. Okay, so this is the software. So this software we have this. Okay, so this is we call it. Look at this one. This is we call it. Okay, I open one simulation file so that it's easy for us to see. Okay. Okay, so this one we call it. This is the title. This is the title. This is the menu bar. Okay, and then this is the uh, this is the process modeling object. Okay, so you have like for example, let's say influence. You have so many tools. Okay, for the influence. Uh, Biflow combine splitter. Okay, and then there may be primary treatment. You have something like this. Primary treatment, and then primary treatment you have like this. Suspended growth. Okay, so many type of suspended growths that be available to plug in for the simulation. A touch growth process can be seen here. Secondary clarifier, tertiary treatment, biosolid treatment, process control, and then the other. And this is the effluent. Okay, effluent for the water, effluent in the liquid form, and effluent in the solid form. Okay, so this is we call it process model object, and then this is the drawing board. Okay, so this is the drawing board, and this is the topple for modeling and the simulation, meaning that in the modeling here we draw it. Okay, we connect every process from one to another, and after we connecting we drawing and set the parameter. So now we move to the simulation. See that? So this is the simulation layout, and then in the simulation layout still the drawing board is here. So this is the control unit, control, and then this is the output of the simulation. Here these are the output of the simulation. So okay, so this is output of the simulation. Okay, so we go to the tutorial 1. Okay, so the tutorial 1 is we try to uh, build a plan model. Okay, so we try to build a plan model. We try to build a plan model. So okay, so we try to build a plan model. So this plan model is we use the activity slash. Okay, let's see the introduction. So the dynamic process model have great potential for assisting operator, engineer, and manager. However, in the past, dynamic model were not used very often because the cost of building model, running simulation, and interpreting the result were too expensive. So in order to simplify the modeling process and therefore reduce costs, you need to aid you with the step in many modeling exercise. So this software is individual, and it is easy to use interface connected to powerful library. Also, simulation model with greatly reduce the expense of carrying out simulation study. So there are five major steps in modeling study. So we have model construction, model calibration, scenario data development, simulation, and interpretation of the result. So in this tutorial, we will develop and simulate a simple steady state model of an activity slash system. Okay, so this tutorial cover the following topic. So we're gaining the familiarity with the GPSX interface and the tool available, build a simple plan layout, and running a simple simulation. So when you finish this okay, so we will start this tutorial one after we break.